Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change theme or wallpaper on WhatsApp. Let's get it started by opening your WhatsApp. Tap on three lines at the top. Now click on settings. Tap on chats and click on themes. I choose system default, which means according to my mobile theme, the WhatsApp automatically change their theme. If I choose light and tap on OK, my WhatsApp becomes white. Understand? Okay, if I want to change the wallpaper, I click on wallpaper and tap on change. I can choose bright wallpapers, dark wallpapers, solid colors, or from my gallery. I choose it from solid color. If I choose this one, you can see I can set it. But I don't like it. I want to change it to bright. You can select any wallpaper from here. I choose this one for my WhatsApp. Tap on set wallpaper. Now go back. Okay, one more thing is you can also change your font size. I choose medium. You can choose small or large. You can choose small or large. Okay, this is how you can change your theme or wallpaper of your WhatsApp. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like or subscribe my YouTube channel.